In this video, we're going to learn to turn a research question into a search strategy. We'll learn to identify your key concepts and create a concept map, brainstorm search terms, and discuss some techniques for putting those search terms together into a search that you can use in any of our library databases. To begin, write your selected topic in the form of a question. In this tutorial, I'm going to ask the question, how does screen time affect toddlers' language development? Once you've found your research question, the next thing you need to do is pull out the key concepts of that question. The key concepts are the main ideas you're researching. In my example question, the key concepts are screen time, toddlers, and language development. At this point, it can be helpful to build a concept map. Simply pull out each key concept and write or type them with plenty of space underneath for brainstorming keywords and synonyms. Now that I've filled in the bubbles on my concept map, it's time to start thinking about synonyms. When developing a search strategy, it's important to have a list of keywords and synonyms related to each key concept because different writers may choose different vocabulary to discuss the same concept, and you want to be sure that your searches turn up material from a variety of authors. Additionally, subject areas may have different vocabulary that they consider standard within their field. If you're researching a topic that is discussed in different fields like education and psychology, it's important that you're familiar with the standard vocabulary in each discipline area. When thinking about keywords, it's important to not only come up with synonyms or words that have the same meaning, but to also think about common abbreviations like TV and television. Before plugging your search terms into the library's databases, spend a few minutes thinking about how you will search for some of these synonyms. You can take your list of synonyms and perform a search for each in the library's databases, looking for toddlers and screen time, toddlers and digital media, toddlers and television, and toddlers and TV in 4 separate searches. However, this can be time-consuming. When you want to ensure that your search is going to bring back a wide set of results, but you don't want to spend all day searching, there are 2 tricks you can use to combine multiple synonyms into a single search. The first is the Boolean operator OR. When you have a list of synonyms that you want to search for at the same time, link each together with the word OR in capital letters. The search engine will read this as a command and will bring back results that use any one of the search terms in that string. To add a keyword that is not a synonym for your first set of search terms, simply set aside your list of synonym keywords from the rest of your search terms using parentheses. This tells the search engine to treat only the words inside the parentheses as synonyms. When you set up your search like this, the search engine will basically search for your keywords like this: toddlers and screen time, toddlers and digital media, toddlers and television, toddlers and TV. But it does all of them in a single search with a single set of results, rather than 4 different time-consuming searches. So, you have your search terms and you know how to put them together. The only thing that's left is to choose a database to put them in. To choose a database, go to the library's webpage and click on the Databases tab in the central search box. From here, you can choose a database from an alphabetical list, by subject, or by the format of the materials you'll find. For my search, I think education databases might be a good place to start, so I'm going to choose to find a database by subject, and then click on Early Childhood Education. In each subject area, we have marked our favorite databases with a star to help guide you to the best resources. When searching in subject-specific databases, you will come across many different interfaces, but most of them function in about the same way, so all those techniques for setting up your search will work across most resources. Now you're ready to start searching and find the best evidence available in the library to back up your argument.